You're in the central coast of Vietnam, in Da Nang. Possibly you'd like to check out Nha Trang, another beach community on the central coast, a little bit further south, quite developed, and you're thinking, hey, let's take a flight down, let's check some hotels and see what we got. So why not? Hotel number one. From the moment you walk into the lobby of the InterContinental Nha Trang, you know that you're at an InterContinental. Just the scent in the air, the staff, the friendliness, the politeness, there's just something about it. But where this line and brand always stands out to me is the furnishings and finish out of the rooms. And that was the case with this one as well. As soon as I walked in, you knew you were at an InterContinental. From the frosted glass water closet to the full-size steam shower, but down to the details, like the alignment of the shampoo bottle heads, just caught my attention. The cleanliness of the mirrors, spotless. And again, the alignment of the soap and lotion bottles. The cleaning crew were on task here. Not a single water spot on any of the chrome, even the doors were cleaned. But again, the alignment, the water bottles, look at this, oh my gosh, perfect to the inch. But of course, clean steam iron, because some gentlemen still love to iron their own clothes, like myself. Now, of course, they have laundry here at the InterContinental, and they'll do that for you, but I prefer to do that on my own. This Zebrano beverage station, complete with a French press even, which I would use later on, and even something like this JBL soundbar, which I also use. Now, this is an upgraded room. There are 2 beds, but I took it because of the beach view. But stop the music real quick. The alignment of the remote even, this table, the glasses, the jars, the cookies that you get upon arrival, everything perfectly aligned. Even my breakfast, which all of this was absolutely delicious, not gonna lie, until this one showed up about an hour later. I said, what is this? They're like, this is your vegan version. Ha, yeah, 2 hours spent. Details do matter when it comes to people as well, InterContinental, but look at the view. Aligned chairs. The staff were truly standouts at this hotel, other than the evening concierge, who was demeaning and condescending, but Yang, the daytime manager, made it perfect. So thank you so much to that for being a true standout. But cozy test? Yes. You're gonna get good naps in here. Details like this, 2 key cards for 1 person so I can keep the AC on even when I leave my room, except at 4:30 in the morning when it's nearly 77 degrees in your room because your AC doesn't work and they send a repairman to fix it while you're trying to sleep. You know what? Make your way to the underwhelming pool instead and get a little bit of relief. But the view is fantastic. Now, you'll see they do have some things here for you to enjoy, like this outdoor bar, and my footage is kind of shaky here again. I wasn't even impressed. I just kind of glanced over this and left. But again, the view is quite nice, as is the spa. Well outfitted, by the way. I mean, look at the gym. Even the men's locker room, which, yes, I checked. There was nobody in here before I came in. Massage shower, steam, saunas, everything. And I did make use of every single amenity inside this lounge. So, you know, would I come back to this InterContinental? No. Even if it was on reward nights? No, again. But I do appreciate the effort. Okay, hold on real quick. Let's back up. I didn't actually pay to stay at the InterContinental. It wasn't sponsored, but one of those evenings was comped, which I'm sure you can understand why, and the other was booked using reward points on one of these, my business and personal IHG branded cards from Chase. And that sounds like an advertisement because it is. The link is in the description. Use that link to sign up for these cards to receive massive sign-up bonuses for meeting the minimum spend requirement, which I easily did by booking flights, hotels, paying for food, get an iPhone, pay for your traveler's insurance. There are a number of things that you can do as long as you stay disciplined, pay off that credit card at the end of every month to maximize reward points and minimize interest paid on that debt. But I racked up almost 500,000 points, which I can use at any number of IHG branded hotels in Central, Southeast Asia, or around the world. And I suggest you do exactly the same thing. If you need help, DM me, email me, TikTok, IG, I don't care. Happy to help you. And again, thanks a lot to IHG and Chase. Thanks. Now for hotel number 2. ADAMAS Boutique Hotel, or ADAMAS, I'm not really certain, but from the moment you walk in, this hotel feels different. The staff, again, very welcoming, polite. They have a nice little coffee shop down here, which I did use later, and as a check-in, they're like, guess what? We upgraded your room. We wanted you to have a beach view, and I said, I'm very excited to see so, and when I opened the door, I was very excited. This hotel is brand new, and it shows everything. Spotless. Now, of course, it's brand new. It should be spotless, but again, just perfect. The steam shower, just like the InterContinental, but they're missing out on some of the details, though they did have that filtered water, but no alignment in the shampoo bottles. I think we can overlook that because the view I could see out the ocean, even though my exposure's not good. ADAMAS, these little fluffy robes that I did use, hey, and of course, look at this well-outfitted room. Even the details, soft and firm labeling of the pillows, and you do have a nice size built-in television, and of course, you know, for the valuables, and a bedside nightlight with the tufted headboard that runs the full length of the room over to a small couch, a reading nook, and of course, a desk where I did do some editing and enjoyed the view. But this hotel's location, something you have to think about. It's in the middle of the tourist section, so it is a little bit louder later than normal, but again, I overlooked that because of the great proximity and accessibility to the beach, and of course, because breakfast was included even at this price point, something InterContinental wanted $20, even though I'm Platinum Elite status. I made my way to the rooftop pool, which again, I probably would not enjoy as much as all of the families did, but I did really appreciate the view on this one. A little bit of sun peeking through here in the afternoon, but something I probably wouldn't use anyhow, being just 2 blocks to the beach. So, 2 different hotels. InterContinental, 150 plus, ADAMAS, 30 plus. Let me know, where would you stay?